So from what I understand, there's no power to the radio. Is that right?
Yeah, it shows nothing on the screen, no time, no activity, and
Okay.
it feels like there's something in the CD. There's no sign of life.
Okay.
So I'm assuming it's a fuse.
Okay.
But I don't know.
Did the vehicle originally come with a base radio or a premium sound radio?
That I don't know. It looks like it's all stock.
All right, and you're saying we did not check the fuses as of yet, is that right?
I was crawling around under there, but like I say, I'm a 75-year-old fat man trying to roll around underneath the Mustang.
No problem, I got you. Let me see what I can do here to help you out. I'm going to pull up a wiring diagram, and we're going to check to see which fuses are indicated by the diagram.
I did find there was 2 fuse boxes, one under the seat or underneath the panel, and another one in the engine.
Mm-hmm.
The engine has the big block fuses.
Yep.
And a bunch of little tiny ones.
Yep. So the first diagram I pulled up here, you might want to write this down. The underhood fuse block is I think that's going to be your bus electrical center. I see fuse 56 as a 20 amp fuse.
56 amp.
And then the next one that I see is going to be in the smart junction box. There's 2 of them. There's F20, which is a 10 amp fuse.
In the engine?
Smart junction boxes, I think, is going to be inside the vehicle. We'll double check here.
Okay, both of these are inside the vehicle. Okay, 56 and 20.
I found a better diagram. Let's back up. Let's go over this again. The bus electrical center is in the right front of the engine compartment. So this is going to be the very first one is going to be under the hood. It's fuse 56. It's a 20 amp fuse.
56 is a 20 amp. 56 is the number, and it's a 20 amp.
Yes, sir. All right, and then the next 2 fuses are going to be in the smart junction box, which are at the right kick panel inside the vehicle.
And I can get my daughter in there doing all the work.
Sure, I got you.
As long as I can tell her.
So
the inside is what?
Fuse 6, number 6, that's a 5 amp fuse. And then fuse number 20 is a 10 amp fuse.
Been able to figure this out because I figured on only one fuse.
Sure, I got you.
Apparently that Shaker radio is a pretty good radio. I don't know much about it.
That makes 2 of us. I don't know much about it either, but those are the fuses according to the factory diagram. So, yeah, I would recommend to check those fuses first. Hopefully the radio isn't the problem.
Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.